It's called the Seedpod House because of what a seed does. You plant it in the ground and it begins to grow, and we've kind of taken that as a way of creating a growing house. We want to say, well, we've got this modular system. Our house breaks into 4 parts to be shipped, and we say, well, you know, it could start out as one small unit. You could actually live in that unit. There would be a way to design that, and as you progressed along, your house could actually grow by purchasing more modules. My favorite part of this house, and I love talking about it, is our structural system. As you can see in the background there, there's there's this rib structure, and essentially what it is it's folded sheet steel, and it's connected with a pin at our floor level, and that pin allows that entire south wall and roof assembly to pivot up, and we place a clear story in there, and that allows us to get the right solar angle for our solar panels. Also, in addition to holding up our house, it creates a plenum space. So there's an air gap in that entire south wall system up through our roof. Through that air gap, through a phenomenon called the stack effect, which, you know, hot air rises, and as it rises, it pulls cool air with it. We are able to help keep the house cool in the summer and closing that gap off, keeping it warm in the winter.
The water wall is basically a thermal mass system, just like concrete or brick. The advantage behind water is that we don't have to ship it across the country. So we can drain the house in Tucson into a garden, ship it across the country empty, and thereby, you know, increase the gas mileage of having to move this thing, and then we get here and we fill it back up. Some of the side effects of that are that, you know, the water is actually 3 times more efficient than concrete at holding thermal energy, and you get some really beautiful effects on the inside by using clear tanks. The tanks themselves are made out of a recycled plastic that's the same as a soda or water bottle, and so they can plug right back into the recycling stream.